Visit Ford Country in the Valley Auto Mall today.
Take a ride in the 2015 Sienna. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, roof rails, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats, airbags, driver, knee, premium sound system, steering wheel, audio controls, airbags front, passenger seat cushion, MP3 player, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Visit Ford Country in the Valley Auto Mall today.